In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create this effect with AI in your videos. So to do that, we need to go to NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account and you will arrive here. Now we have to go to the video section, go to settings, and here we're going to use the OmniFlash model. Here, the length of the video is going to be 10 seconds because my video, the one that I'm going to use, is 10 seconds. Now here we have to click and upload the video that we want to modify. So let's upload this image. Now we have to use this prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click this button. Now we have to click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result. So now let's see it.
I've been looking for the perfect dress for months. This one has it all. The fit, the flow, the lightweight fabric. It's the best I've ever had. Link in my profile.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. It looks really nice. So if you want to do a video like this one, I want to tell you that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. With that, you will receive 10 credits that, for example, the video that we did had a cost of 5 credits. So you could do 2 videos like this one. So well, I recommend you to try the platform and see you in the next video.